Hey guys, welcome back to PD 110. This week we've got Chapter 8 Nutrition, Health, and Fitness. So this is going to tie those three things in together and really focus on how our nutrition, what we're putting into our body, impacts our overall health and our fitness levels. And so for this week, of course, you need to read Chapter 8, review the PowerPoint, complete the quiz, and then submit your physical activity monitoring report. So really business as usual. You do have a short TED Talks video uh, to watch for the week. You have an optional, it's actually a movie called Fat, Sick, and Nearly Dead. It's pretty interesting to watch this guy's journey as he basically gave up eating whole foods and just went on kind of a juicing type diet. And just to see the impact, the positive impact it had on his body when he was much more intentional about what he ate. Also, we have our Chapter 8 PowerPoint. If you notice here, it's in a PDF format rather than PowerPoint just because it was too large to upload to Moodle. We've got our quiz, our activity monitoring report, and as always, I bring your attention to your checklist. Make sure that you have completed all the tasks so you get credit on the checklist. That's your participation grade, and that's the largest weighted grade in the course. Again, this is optional, so if you choose not to, or if you start watching the movie and decide that it doesn't interest you, that's completely fine. All the other tasks need to be completed. All right, guys, as always, I'm here for you if you need me, just to email away. Have a great week, and I do want to bring to your attention also that we only have a few weeks of content left. So about 4 weeks and then our final exam. So make sure you're staying on top of things and continue to get the assignments in on time. All right, have a great week.